green, white, shorts turning brown. Bang! Breaking a parade! A song that says, I will never sleep well again.
The sound of scream is music to me. The sound that says 15 years full-time therapy.
Trauma and fear, it sings in my ear. Ain't it the sweetest noise around? That beautiful sound. Someone's at the door.
You want to answer it this time?
More than anything.
Hey, don't oversell it, act natural.
Hey, you giving me advice? Hello, I'm with the U.S. Census Bureau. Got time for a few? Oh my God! Hi. How many people live here?
Just me.
Oh, have you? Oh, I don't live here. I'm dead. Panic and stress.
Panic and stress.
Oh, ain't it the best?
Ain't it the best?
The sound of a heart exploding inside a chest.
Fills you with pride.
We're ruining lives. Ain't it the sweetest noise in town?
That beautiful sound.
Hey, you know what makes all of this even more awesome?
What?
More me. All we wanna do is hear that sound. All we wanna do is hear that sound. Oh, fellas! All we wanna do is hear that sound. All we wanna do is hear that sound. Yeah, all we wanna do is hear that sound. 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 Wait, what? Someone's at the door! Let's make some more people scream. Package 50! Did you know overnight delivery costs extra?
What a rip-off!
Pizza for Dees?
What you order?
Pepperoni, mushrooms, and snakes. Snakes? Holy mackerel! A lot of people come to this house. Light!
Hello? New neighbors? I brought you a pie. It's from the store. So dark.
Hi. Check this out! Dance with me. house and you're a natural. But if you're gonna live like a ghost, you gotta follow the rules. Rule number 1, don't leave the house.
Why not?
That is a sandworm, and they eat ghosts. Foreshadowing. Rule number 2, every new ghost gets a tote bag. That's where tote bags come from. There's lots of cool stuff in there. There's a bath bomb, there's a Toblerone, there's a book you're never gonna read.
Handbook for the recently deceased.
That's the one! But since you're not actually dead, want to see a sad puppet show?
I used to find my mom.
Your mom! Your mom's dead. She's in the netherworld.
The netherworld. Well, could I bring her back? Could I bring her back here?
What? Why would anyone want to spend more time with their mother? Did I mention that my mom's a demon? She's impossible. She'd start drinking and I'd be like, Mom, stop drinking. It's either me or the booze. And then she'd be like, well, then I choose the booze. Point is, we just got rid of your dad and we was having so much fun together.
I can't open it.
Well, yeah, because you're not recently deceased.
Oh, I'll just have Adam and Barbara open it.
Wait, what, you're leaving me?
Yeah, I gotta get the book open.
But I thought we were pals.
What are you talking about? I gotta find my mom.
Then what am I supposed to do? Can you believe that? After everything I've done for her. Alone. Again. Do you know how it feels to get everything you thought you ever wanted and still feel like nobody will ever love you? This guy knows what I'm talking about. I gotta get out of here. Really live, really connect. Everyone can see me now. But if I were alive, I could leave this house, meet my kind of people. You know, socially liberal, but fiscally conservative. And there is a way. All I have to do is convince Lydia to marry me.
What?
What? Where did I lose you? Oh, it's not a real marriage. Oh, it's like a green card thing. Yeah, strictly business. And I've got a plan. Of course, I might have to get a little mean. I might have to get a little nasty. Well, if you want to treat me like a demon, then I'll be a demon. Do you hear that sound? That beautiful sound. The sound of a super